Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This week in class, unsurprisingly, there's been quite a lot of talk about the inauguration of Donald Trump as American president, and also about Elon Musk's full-on Nazi salute, as well as some talk about the fact that Trump has pardoned 1,600 people who'd been convicted of taking part in the attempted coup on January the 6th. As I pointed out to my students, we're now entering uncharted waters. Uncharted waters is basically a metaphor, meaning that we're entering into a new and unknown area. We're entering into areas that not only do we not know, but that also might be dangerous. So, for example, after the 2008 financial crash, the economy entered uncharted waters. And recently, with the crazy political events going on in South Korea, where the president tried to basically launch some kind of self-coup, which was then presented and he was then arrested, all of this political upheaval has plunged the country into uncharted waters. And we often talk about entering into or being plunged into new, dangerous, uncharted waters. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use uncharted waters.